Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Capital B, that is about Fn number 3. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, we have the second formula in here. So, capital B, that is about this one. Capital A, that is about number 3. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. Now we need to simplify it. And the last one. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we have the formula to do first derivative. So if we do first derivative of this one and this one, we have like this. So first derivative of x, we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Similar for this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.